Good morning, peeps. Happy Sunday. And thank you so much for clicking on my channel, Lif'ing with O and Pep. I'm O and Pep is right there. This morning I woke up and decided I want to try and make some homemade butter. And then I'm going to use the buttermilk to make some biscuits. Almost there. Almost there, Pep. All right, we got some butter. I'm gonna let this go a little bit longer. You'll see. So I've already made the butter. It was fairly easy, a little messy because my blender, because of the little opening, that's leaking. Because of the little opening here, I had to cover it up because I didn't want that to splash all over the place. So now I'm about to do a cleanup, and then what I'm gonna do is make some breakfast because I got this little girl at my house this morning. I'm gonna make her some breakfast, typical Southern breakfast. Grits. We're gonna use turkey sausage, and I'm gonna make homemade biscuits. So just stay tuned. Okay, we have gotten the biscuits in the oven and cleaned that up. Right in on the pan. But yeah, that's my biscuits. Just waiting for those to get done. I'm gonna throw these grits in here. The water is boiling enough for me. Throw these in. Gotta be careful not to overdo it because a little bit of grits go a long, long way. But that little girl, she is picky about her grits too. She gets a little stingy with her grits. She likes grits. And then we want to make sure we turn this down. Sausage is cooking. It needs some attention. Alright, as soon as this breakfast is done, I'll pick y'all back up and show you the final outcome. I would make eggs, but I'm not doing eggs. Alright.